So we took the front end off and we cleaned the engine, the grease, get all the oil out. We have new rocker cover gaskets on both sides. We still have to do the camshaft seals on both cylinder heads. The reason why we're doing the timing belt again, we were told it was done, but apparently when we took the front end off, we find out on these pulleys there were some funny marks, and probably whoever done the timing before didn't use the correct timing tool. So we have locking pill on the crank now. We have this tool for the camshafts, the bar, and also I don't really think the stage of this pulley is like it was changed recently. This offset one looks like it is new, but the rest of them they were not changed. So we have a new kit from Aina. We have the tensioner pulley, we have the idler pulley, so everything should be new, with the new damper as well, because this original damper for the tensioner pulley has still original part numbers, so we're definitely gonna change it because this is not tensioning fully, so the belt was also loose a bit. Which brings us to the belt. It doesn't seem to be old, but it was cheaper to get the whole kit, really, like buy all the things separate. So we have all new seals from TPS. This is the old water pump. That looks like it was changed. It looks fresh. I put everything new, just in case. We want to put everything back together so it's running for a couple of years, hopefully with no bigger investment. So everything's clean. We're gonna change a few more seals and we're gonna put all the stuff back on, and hopefully it will start later on today.
More.